class, once again, let's continue our lesson. Don't worry, sandali lang ulit ito tulad ng mga dalawang nauna. At huling lesson na rin for our lesson 5, which is take and process room service orders. Okay, so our lesson for this hour is learning outcome 5.5, which is clear out room service equipment. Okay. So, katatapos lang natin yung presenting the bill and methods and procedures for payment. Kung meron pa kayong mga tanong tungkol dyan, mag-chat lang sa ating group chat or pwede rin ninyong i-comment doon sa video. The following skills and knowledge shall be the focus of this module. Check and present guests' accounts for accuracy in accordance with establishment procedure. Explain the procedures in taking out the tray and trolley after the guests have finished their meal. Check and clear the floors in accordance with establishment policy and guidelines. Clear dirty trays in accordance with the establishment's procedure. And clean and return trays and trolleys to the room service area. Clearing room service equipment. It is the room service responsibility to clear away the tray when the guests have finished, either by asking them to place their tray outside of their room when they have finished and to clear it 20 minutes after the service, or by asking the guests to call them to come clear away that tray. It is often the object of conflict between housekeeping and the room service departments. Yan, nagtuturuan sila. Pero, ang may trabaho talaga ng nag-clear ay room service department, hindi si housekeeping. Okay, so, ayan, tanungin daw natin yung mga guest or sabihan natin ang mga guest na ilagay ang kanilang tray outside of their room kapag tapos na. At lilinisan natin 20 minutes after the service or by asking the guest to call you. No, tatawagan kayo para pumunta doon sa kanila para linisan ang kanilang mga pinagkainan. In fact, there is nothing worse than a floor where there are dirty trays lying on the floor, no? One should consider that the job of the room service is finished only when all trays have been cleared away. Diba? Kung anong linis ng mga gamit na dinala natin doon sa room service, ay ganun din hanggang matapos. Masasabi lang natin na tapos na yung room service kapag na-cleared away na natin ang mga pinagkainan. Okay? So, there is nothing worse than a floor. Wala daw mas malala pa sa floor, sa floor, sa may rooms na may mga maruduming trays lying on the floor. O, diba? Kaka-turn off nga naman yun. Mamaya niyan, di na babalik ang mga guests sa hotel ninyo. So, bawas yun, kita. Clearing room service areas. It is important that trays and trolleys placed outside the rooms are cleaned promptly, agad-agad, as messy and untidy floors or passages reflect very badly on the establishment. O, sabi ko nga, nakaka-turn off yung maduming floor or passages doon sa pasilyo na may mga nakatambak na pinagkainan. Good working relations and good communication channels between the housekeeping and room service department must be maintained to ensure that floors are cleaned quickly. Diba lang, si housekeeping silang magmamap. Pero yung pagko-collect talaga ng mga pinagkainan ay trabaho ni room service. Okay, typically, a room service order is required to get the following information on a dispatch sheet or checklist. Date, of course. Room number, syempre. Whether tray or trolley has been taken, an agreed code may be used such as T for trolley and O for tray. Time the order was taken, sulat natin yan. Time the order was delivered, sulat din natin. Person delivering the order, importante yan. And time the order was cleaned. Oy, diba? Kung sinulat mo, kailan mo diniliver? Sulat mo din kailan mo nalinis. Kasi nga sabi natin kanina, masasabi mo lang natapos yung room service kapag nalinis mo yung mga pinagkainan ng i-deliver mo. Okay? The room boy is responsible for controlling floor service procedures and for directing staff to clear rooms and floors. So, trabaho din ni room boy yon na magsabi sa mga room service kung maglinis na. In addition, there should be regular floor checks at least hourly to ensure that used trays and trolleys and miscellaneous items are quickly removed. Ay, syempre ayaw ng mga guests naman na tatapos nilang kumain, doon na lang sa kwarto nila yung mga pinagkainan pag hindi sila magtatawag na maglilinis, kaya for sure ilalabas nila yan. Kaya, dapat laging chine-check kung may naiiwang pinagkainan doon sa labas ng mga kwarto para pag meron man, agad-agad ay malilinis sila. When a room or floor has been cleared after room service, the room service taker must be informed. Ayan. Pag nalinis na, ayan, masasabihan si room service. Floors must be cleared quickly and take care that equipment is securely placed. Unconsumed food and beverages, food service equipment, trays and trolleys must be returned to food service area or to the kitchen via service lift. Walang maiwan, lahat kukunin. Not all room service orders are taken over the phone. Breakfast orders, for example, are frequently in the form of a doorknob docket, completed by guests before they go to bed and left on their doors for collection. No, nag-o-order din sila sa pamamagitan ng pagsabit doon sa doorknob, kaya doorknob docket bago daw sila matulog. These orders must be checked, clarified if necessary, and correctly distributed. So, may mga hotels na ganun. Pinapaiwan sa guest doon sa doorknob yung gusto nilang breakfast kinabukasan. Okay, so yung mga ganong orders ay dapat ma-check, ma-clarify, and maibigay. Okay? Cleaning and storing trays and trolleys. Trays and trolleys should be taken to the wash-up area. Waste items will be removed and food service equipment will be washed. Trays and trolleys must be cleaned and dismantled safely and hygienically, following enterprise procedures. The procedure includes the stacking of equipment, placement of dirty linens, and storage of usable items. Clean trays and dismantled trolleys done correctly and replaced with other usable items in the room service pantry. Hindi kung saan-saan nagdi-dismantle. Stock of all items should be checked against per stock and requisition for restocking as required to meet the establishment's standards. Okay? May mga standard procedures talaga kasi kung wala, malamang kanya-kanyang diskarte ng pag-i-stock, pagbabalik ng mga gamit, yun dun hindi mo makikita agad kung may sira, may mga kailangang mapalitan, malalaman mo na lang kapag gagamitin mo ay sira na pala, mga ganun, walang control. Kaya lahat ng yan may standard procedure para may control at maiwasan yung mga damages. Self-check ulit. Ang bilis, no? Okay. So, for self-check 5.5, true or false? Umay na kayo dyan. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect in a 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise. Copy and write your answers after each statement. Pass your outputs on our face-to-face meeting, hopefully tomorrow. Okay, so if you have questions, class, you may chat them in our group chat or you may comment in the video uploaded. Okay, and for our next lesson, hopefully tomorrow, face-to-face na. If not, we have no choice but to embrace this learning platform. Okay? Ayan. Lesson 6 na. Receive and handle guests' concerns. Okay, for our learning outcome 6.1, listen and evaluate customers' complaint. Diba? So, abangan natin yung lesson na yan. Ano kaya ang gagawin kung may customer na magko-complain? Okay? So, for now, gawin na yung self-check. Maglabas na ng 1/2 sheet of paper at magsulat na habang fresh pa yung mga pinag-aralan natin at hindi natin sila makalimutan. Okay, class? So, bye for now and stay safe. Hopefully, see you tomorrow. Bye!